This platform is available worldwide, and you can make $200 and more for a single word you type. Well, this might sound impossible, but as usual, I will show you people who are crushing it and making hundreds or thousands of dollars using this simple strategy. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So, just like you heard in that intro, yes, you can make hundreds of dollars per word you type. And this is done through this platform called squadhelp.com. This is a website for people who have just started a business and don't have an idea yet of the best name to give to their business. So, a contest will be published and people have a chance to submit their name suggestions. All names are auto-checked for URL availability. If your name suggestion is chosen, you can make up to $500 in some cases. If you check the active contest page, you will find more than 300 contests that you can participate in. You can see how many days are left to the end of the contest and how many people have submitted their ideas so far. You can also see how much money you could make if your idea is chosen by the contest organizers. If you click on recent winners, you can see how much people have made on this platform recently. Make sure to follow this tutorial so you can be one of them, as I am sharing a secret strategy that will boost your chances of winning a name suggestion contest. Well, you don't have to do some brainstorming to get an idea. Simply go to businessnamegenerator.com, which is a website that generates hundreds of names for you automatically. All you need is to provide a keyword. Let's try to find a name for a coffee shop, for example. In some contests, you need to make sure that the name you suggest is available as a domain name as well. You can enable this to check whether the name suggested could also be used as a domain name or not, then hit enter. These are all the business names you can suggest, and if you double-click one of them, you can check the domain name availability and even get a discount if you purchase it. Go through the results and choose a couple of name suggestions and submit them on squadhelp.com. I just wanted to mention that to participate in Squad Help naming contests, you need to pay a one-time $10 fee. That's not a big deal because once you win a contest, you can make up to $500, and this $10 will also reduce the competition, as many people will look at it as an entry barrier. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.